In this video, we are going to see how we can apply the VLOOKUP in payroll sheets to calculate the overall tax that should be applied on a particular employee. So here we have the payroll sheet that you can find with the file that you have downloaded earlier. That is use of AI in Excel. So just find this payroll sheet and we have different employee IDs, employee name, base salary, their bonus and total pay. But we want to extract their tax deduction. How will we apply that? For that, we don't have any kind of rates. So what I will do, I will use help of AI to provide that data to me. And I just copy and pasted it right here, create tax slabs for this data. And as you can see, it has created this tax slabs. What I only need to do is I'll just insert a new sheet and just write here tax slabs for payroll. You can do the same and paste it right here. If you want to adjust in the formatting, just uncheck wrap text, increase the size of the text. You can increase it from here, or otherwise I'll just hold the control key on my keyboard and just scroll the wheel of the mouse. So you can increase the size. Total pay lower limit, upper limit, total pay lower limit. That means from 0 onwards, all the tax rates are 0 up till the next limit comes. So from 30,000 onwards, all is 5%. From 35,000, all will become 10%. And here is the list available. So let's name this table as tax bands payroll. Hit enter and make sure it is properly saved and shows in the results in the name range. And after that, let's extract the percentage, tax percentage equals to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this, since we want to see the tax applied on total pay. And just right here, tax band payroll. This is table array. Column index number is 2 and it's approximate match. So we will use 1. 0.15 is the tax. If you want to apply and convert it into a percentage, you can just go to the home tab and apply the percentage sign. Double click to send it down and we are good to go. And if you want to separately extract the tax amount after that, just multiply this total pay with the tax amount or tax percentage. So here's the tax amount, but let's say that I want to combine both of these into a single column. We have already seen the example, but let's see that again. Let's make it tax amount. I don't want to create many columns unnecessarily. So this overall formula extracts the percentage. What I'll do is I'll just multiply it again by total pay to extract the amount. So this gives the percentage, VLOOKUP gives the percentage, and then I multiply it by the total pay. Percentage multiplied by total pay is tax amount directly, but we have already applied percentage style. So let's go to the home format and just change it to number or currency, whatever you want. And you can reduce the decimal places if you like. And after that, just double click to send it down. And here is our results. Now let's extract net salary to pay. Net salary to pay is, let's say, after deduction. So equals to total pay minus tax amount. This is the net salary. And if you want to just turn on the comma style, here's how you can do it. And just reduce this decimal places after that. So this is a little project of yours that you need to apply all what we have learned in the VLOOKUP in the form of tax slabs and extract the relevant tax percentage on the payroll salaries. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.